Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standards 1 Chapter 6, and the chapter name is Food We Eat. So in this chapter we will see that what type of food we eat. So let's start the chapter. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members and with your dear ones. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and please stay happy at home. Don't go outside because we are in very pandemic situation and disease like COVID-19. So it's better that we can enjoy ourselves inside the house. And if you feel the bored, then after you have lots of indoor games, then you can enjoy with indoor games, and so like the ludos, PUBG, carom, so whatever the games are there, so please watch, and then after you just attend your online classes also. So let's start the chapter. So whatever I have taught you in previous chapter and the homework whatever I have given, please you complete all the homework in fair copy. So whenever the school will open, you will show me all the homeworks without any trouble, because I have all the records and I want all the homeworks on date wise. So put your pencil on your hand, and then here is some work also, activities also to complete in book. No need to complete in copy. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible, and if you have the book, then please open, and whatever I am reading you also read with me. So let's start the chapter. Now, what would happen if we did not eat food the whole day? So what will happen if we did not eat food the whole day? We would fall sick. What happens? We would fall sick. We do not. Why do we need food? Now one question is there in your book, that why do we need food? Answer is, we need food to eat. We need food to eat. Our body needs food to grow and to healthy and strong. So our body needs food because food gives us energy, and food just gives to become a strong person. Food gives us energy to study and play. So what the use of food? Because food gives us energy to study and to play. Next is questions are there in page number 26. The question is what? Color the food that we would like to eat. So here is 9 pictures are there. The name is samosas, burger, noodles, dosha, ice cream, chicken, sandwich, paneer and fish. So there is 9 items are there, 9 items food. So what the food you like to eat in these all 9 pictures? If you like the samosas, then color the samosas. If you like the burgers, then color the burger. If you like the noodles, then color it the noodles. So here is all at least 9 pictures are there. So what this food in this food, what you would like, if 1 or 2, 3, so that you have to color it. It's your homework, then put in your book HW. So after finish the word online class, please you open the book, read the chapter also, and whatever the homework I have given you, you also complete it in your book. And please don't use sketch color because it will spoil your book. So it's better that you can use pencil color and crayons. So let's start the next page number 27. Now we eat different kinds of food such as milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. So we eat not only one food, we eat different kinds of foods like milk, we drink milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. So these different kinds of foods that we like to eat. Now all dals are called pulses. The different types of dals are there. You can ask with your mother, then she will told you yes, different types of dals are there. So that dals are called pulses. Then maize picture are there, millet, wheat and rice. So these all is a kind of food we like to eat. Next is mother is buying fruits and vegetables. Here is what mother is going to the market and she is buying the fruits and vegetable. Help her sort them. So now here she is confused that which one is vegetable and which one is fruit. So we have to help her. Write F for fruit. So if the picture is showing fruits, then you just write in box F. F indicates fruit. If pictures is vegetables, then put the V. If pictures is vegetables, then put the V in box. Now 2 have been done for you. Here is 2. It's already done in your book. If you have book, then you can see there that mangoes, because we know that it's a fruit's name. Then F is written, F for fruit. Potato, second picture. So it's a what? It's for vegetables name. So V is written. So please put your pencil in your hand. So I am just telling you. Also write down F and V. Next is banana. Banana is what? What is banana? Fruits or vegetable? Tell me. Yes, it's a fruit. Then write F in box. Next down is radish. It's a fruit and vegetable. It's a vegetable. Then write V. Next is grapes. It's a fruits and vegetables. Then grapes is fruits. Then write F in box. Next capsicum. Capsicum is fruits or vegetable. It's a vegetable. Then put the V in box. Last line is pear. Pear is fruits or vegetables. It's a fruit. Then put the F in box. Next pea pod. Pea pod is what? It's a vegetable. Then put the V. Next is carrot. Carrot is what? It's a fruit. Then put F. The next page is 28. Let's come to the 28. So in this page we will see that what is who is called non-vegetarian and who is non-vegetarian. So that we will see in the next videos. Please guys watch the next videos, the homework, the previous homework, and after finishing this homework chapter, I will upload the homework on the website of Hartford International School. Please you guys, you go there and please watch your homework. So and that after that you just complete down in your fair copy. So whenever the school will open, you will not get any trouble to show me. Whenever I will ask you the homework, you have to show me without any problem, without any hesitation, because I am uploading every homework. I am also writing. You also have to write down. And English homework also I will upload on the website. So English homework also you have to complete it in your fair copy. Please use the time because you have lots of time, so you can enjoy with the time with your family members, and then after you just read the book, and then after in fact you can write the improve your handwriting also. So you can write 2-3 pages at least in one day, so that your handwriting will improve. And whatever you are going to write down in exercise and new words, that also you should write down in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and it should be dark pencil. So please guys watch the next videos, and please don't go outside. Be inside and just enjoy the online classes. And after the finishing the online classes, please don't think that you will close the books and you will keep inside corner. No, after finishing the online class, you also go through the book and you also read line by line whatever I am explaining you. So thank you, and please watch the next videos and have a nice day.